Welcome to our humble home.
Answer.
You live here?
Well, we live wherever we want.
We do as we please.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice, huh?
Everyone, this is Simba.
That, my friend, is a lion.
What about food? Have you thought about feeding that thing?
Yeah, I'm starved. I could eat a whole zebra.
Oh, here we go.
No, kid. We're fresh out of zebra.
And the antelope?
Uh-oh.
No, listen, kid, if you want to live with us, you have to eat like us.
And most importantly, not eat us.
This looks like a good spot to rustle up some grub.
It's perfect! Step aside, fellas.
What's that? Ooh, too chewy. This one's got some nuttiness.
Now that's what I call umami.
It's slimy, yet satisfying.
Extra crunchy.
They're local.
Yeah. Oh, are they?
They're from right there.
I'm telling you, kid. This is the great life. No rules, no responsibilities. Ooh, the little cream-filled kind. I love these.
Those are good.
I love
Those
these.
are the best.
Can I have the head?
Well, kid?
Oh, well. Hakuna Matata. Slimy. Yet satisfying.
That's it.
We didn't lie.
Egg sack. I got an egg sack.
Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
It's our problem-free philosophy.
Hakuna
Hakuna
Matata.
Matata, Hakuna Matata,
Hakuna Matata.
Matata,
Yeah.
Hakuna Matata,
Hakuna
Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata.
Wi-Fi recognized success.
Sorry, shut up.
Hakuna
It means
Matata,
no
Hakuna
worries
Matata, Hakuna
Signed successfully.
for the rest of your days.
Matata, Hakuna. It's our problem-free philosophy.
Hakuna Matata.